And many of the injured have been taken to Bir Hospital in Kathmandu, where doctors are working round the clock to save lives.
This is the human face of the massive tragedy that has befallen Nepal and its citizens. There are elderly people here, there are children who are lying unconscious, being treated in the hospital. A nightmare that began yesterday is still not over for many who are continuously streaming into this Bir Hospital, which is where we are, for treatment, and most have sustained injuries when a fall fell on them or something. And here are some of the doctors who are treating them. What is the number of injured that have come in to the hospital till now?
Till the actual data we don't know, but we have treated more than 1,000 patients till now, and there are a lot of casualty and lot of cross injuries. And over this side we have all the operated cases are here.
Are there also people who are critical?
Yeah, they are also critical patients, and we have treated, we have operated them. Some patients come with a liver injury, some patients with a femur fracture. There are a lot of huge blood loss is there. We manage accordingly.
Do you have enough resources, enough doctors, enough medicines to actually treat all the people who are coming in?
See, so far we are trying to mobilize all the people we have got, and I have interacted with some of my junior colleagues who have been working here. Nobody is saying that we are scarce of doctors, we are scarce of nurses. It's not that everybody is lined up, but I mean, I think we are fairly
covered. But you still need more supplies.
I mean, at this point of time, about supply, I cannot tell what exactly we are lacking. But it's not that unmanageable situation at this point of time. That's all.
It is not unmanageable, right? But if we look at some of these children here, what are they being treated for exactly, and are they critical or?
Actually, they are all the operated cases that you have seen over here.
Yes.
One person over there, we have amputated the foot.
Amputated the foot of this little girl here.
Yeah, and then and this is the hemiperitoneum case.
And the foot had to be amputated because
there is a cross injury, and each patient come with the amputated foot, so we are just deprived.
Right. So this little girl that you see here has actually had an operation for an amputation of the foot. She looks barely 5 or 6 years old, and she is still unconscious at this Bir Hospital here. Patients coming in as and when, and the human tragedy continues to rise. Death toll continues to mount, and as hospitals like this one are flooded with injured people. With camera person Rajesh Gupta, Neha Masi for NDTV.